Welcome to AIES. We're pleased to have you take the next step toward earning your professional diploma. In this short video, we'll guide you through the registration process step by step so you can complete your application accurately and with confidence. Before you begin, let's make sure you have everything you need. Before starting your registration, have your high school diploma, official transcripts, and a valid ID or passport ready. Having your documents prepared will make the registration process quicker and easier. Start by entering your personal information. Enter your full name exactly as it appears on your ID or passport, followed by your date of birth and gender. Next, complete your contact information, including your email address, phone number, and mailing address. Before continuing, take a moment to review your information and make sure everything is complete and accurate. Next, select your program level. Choose from Certificate, Professional Diploma, or Mini Masters, and then select the specific program you wish to study. If you are studying through an AIES approved center, complete the examination detail section by entering your center name and selecting your examination series. If you are studying online directly with AIES, you can simply skip this section and continue to the next step. Select your highest qualification, such as your high school diploma, and enter the name of the institution you attended and your year of completion. You may also provide your GPA or grade if applicable. Next, upload a copy of your high school diploma or other qualification certificate, your academic transcripts, and a valid ID or passport. If you are applying for a certificate course, you may skip the document upload section. If you have a referral code, you can enter it in the space provided. Finally, review your application carefully. Confirm that the information you've provided is accurate and complete, and that you have read and agreed to the student registration and enrollment policy. Once everything is complete, click Submit Application. And that's it! Your AIES student registration is complete. Once your application has been submitted, the AIES team will review your information and supporting documents. Please allow 3 to 5 business days for us to review your application and get back to you with further information and next steps. In the meantime, keep an eye on your email for updates from AIES. We look forward to welcoming you and supporting you throughout your learning journey.